Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Katie. I miss you all so much, but I'm so thankful that we have phones and tablets and computers that we can still keep in contact with these videos. So I usually would see you all on Fridays to do art, but since we can't be in school right now, I thought it would be really fun if we did an art video. So today we're gonna make an Easter craft. I'll show you what we're going to make. It's a little chick and it's coming out of a broken eggshell. So I am going to take you through step-by-step instructions of how to make this at home with things that you probably already have at home. So, and if at any point during the video you need to pause so that you can catch up, it's really easy. Just hit the pause button, catch up to where you need to get to, and then start it again. So you will need 3 pieces of paper, just plain white paper. You can find this inside of your printer, maybe your craft area, but just 3 plain pieces of white paper. You'll also need a pair of scissors. You will also need a glue stick. Elmer's glue, like white glue, would work just fine, but a glue stick is better just because it's not quite as messy. You're also going to need some crayons and a couple markers. For the markers, I would choose an orange color for the beak, and then blue or green or brown or black, whatever color you would like for the eyes. Okay, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna take one of these sheets of paper, and I'm going to cut right about here, right about this far, and we're just gonna cut the bottom off of the sheet of paper, just like this, okay? So now we have this sheet of paper here. Then we're gonna take one of our green crayons and we're gonna color this whole bottom part because this is going to be our grass. So we're gonna color all of this green. I'm getting a little bit on my table right now, but that's okay, we can clean it up. All right. And then, once we have our paper just like this, we're gonna cut little lines inside of the paper for the grass. Okay, so I'll show you just like this. So we're gonna cut about that far, maybe about halfway, not quite halfway down the paper for the grass, okay? So we'll cut all the way through like this, all the way across, until we have all of our grass. Okay, just like this. So you can see you can kind of move it like this. All right, and then you're gonna take your second piece of paper, like this, and you're gonna take your glue stick. Now on the back, not on the green side, but on the white side, you're gonna flip it over, and you're gonna get your glue stick, and you're gonna do your glue stick just on the bottom of this green sheet of paper, not where the parts that you cut, just on the bottom part. And you're gonna glue this to the bottom of your paper, just like this. So you can see your grass still moves. We'll kind of bend it a little bit so that it actually still looks like pieces of grass, just like this, okay? And now the next thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna decorate the sky. So I chose to do a sun in my sky. You can choose to do a rainbow. You can put clouds in the sky, whatever you would like to do. So I drew a sun in the sky. So I'm gonna draw another sun right now. I'll color it in and color in my sun just like this. All right, just like this. And then I'm gonna take my blue crayon and I'm gonna color the rest of the sky. Color the rest of my sky in just like this. Color it all in. Do, 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 do. Okay. Just like that. Okay. See, I colored my sky. Next, you're going to get this piece of paper, the one that you cut your grass from, and you're going to cut a little shape. It's going to be like a circular shape, but with the flat side on the bottom. And it's going to be maybe a little bit bigger than your hand. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this and I will show you. So it'll be just about like this big right here. Okay, and you're gonna take this and you're gonna color it yellow. So we're gonna color all this yellow. Color it all yellow. All right. Then after you've colored this yellow, you're gonna take your glue stick on the white side of the piece of paper, and we're gonna put our glue on the back of the chick. Okay. And then we're gonna take our chick and we're gonna put it right behind the grass. So we're gonna put the flat side on the bottom, and we're gonna glue it just like this right behind the grass, okay? The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our third piece of paper and we're gonna cut a bigger shape that look kind of like the chick, but bigger, okay? So I will show you that one. Okay, see, and this one's a little bit bigger. It's about this big, okay? And then you're gonna take this sheet right here and we're gonna fold it. We're gonna fold it just like this in our hands. See how I'm holding it just like this? Then we're gonna take our scissors and we're gonna cut. We're gonna make a little line just like this in the middle. So it's open like that. Then we're gonna cut along the sides. It doesn't have to be perfect lines, but we're just gonna cut some lines from that middle part to make it look like a cracked shell. Just like this. See, I just cut some lines through there. Okay. And then we can even fold them out a little bit, just like this, okay? Then we're gonna take our glue and we're going to glue just around the outside. Not where the cracked eggshell is, but just around. We're gonna do a strip of glue just around the outside, okay? And then we're gonna put this right over the top of our chick. So like this. So I placed it right over the top. And then you can flip these little eggshells out like this, kind of bend them out. So it looks like a broken eggshell. Then you want to take your orange marker and we're going to draw the beak inside, and then you can take your other colored marker to draw the eyes. Just like this. And I chose to write Happy Easter on mine. You can write something else if you would like to, but I am going to write Happy Easter on mine. And we also want to make sure we put our name on the bottom. So, just like this. I hope you all enjoyed making a craft with me, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. See you later.